Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to check how we can find people on internet if we have their images. For example, face image, you can track anyone, you can find any person if you have their picture. Okay, so we have two websites that we will be utilizing. The first one is facecheck.id and this is the second one, lenso.ai, lenso.ai. Okay, so let's first utilize this one. You just need to visit it, and after that you just need to click on browse and then find the image that upload the image or browse the image that you want to find. For example, in my case, I will be using my own image, so it was there in the download. Let's check this one. Let's try this one, even though it is already an edited image. So it will try to find it on different social media like Facebook and all those. So let's click on agree, search, fill the captcha, and just wait for it. So yeah, it will try to find out on different news, blogs, social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, X, YouTube, and all those other things. Okay, so definitely there are so many people who is currently online on this website. It is a kind of popular website. We need to wait a bit up, and once the waiting queue is completed, then it will try to find the person by tracking its face. So let's wait until it completed. We will visit the second website which is lenso.ai. So here we need to do the same thing. Just click on upload image and select the image and simply paste it. So I have another image. Let's select it and perform the search. It will take some time. Okay, so it is currently working on it. Let's go back to the first one. As you can clearly see, this facecheck.id finds me successfully on LinkedIn as well as on Facebook, as well as again on LinkedIn, and some similar faces that looks like me. And this is kind of my old image that it discovered, and it working perfectly. So you can track anyone using its image. I think it is awesome. So there are some similar people who looks like me. Okay, so yeah, I think this one is nice. You can find out people on Facebook, LinkedIn, and on different platforms. This is the first thing. Let's go to the second one website. As you can see in second one, it literally discovered this image which is an unknown source, and I think it is on yeah, there is some platforms that it did discover. So let's click on this. It might be learn Python basics. Maybe I have uploaded somewhere this video and now it is showing me this thing. I think the first one website is pretty good. It gives us some really good results if we compare it with the second one, but still you can utilize both of them. It might be possible in your case. It will give you some great results, and also you can use Google Lens, the popular method that most of you already know. So you can search by image as well. As just click on it, click on upload and go to the downloads and simply paste the image and wait. So here you can see it discovered that this image is actually available on Facebook as well as on MasaudSec.com and as well as on LinkedIn. So this is all. This is how it works. I hope you like it. Feel free to visit MasaudSec.com if you are interested to learn cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing. We are offering live mentorship. We will be teaching you everything from really basic to advanced level, and you will be ready to perform ethical hacking and penetration testing in real world. So that's enough for today. You can check out the MasaudSec.com /outlines for more details. You can contact us by hitting this